Yeah, this is a great dish. Kung Pao Chicken, what that's all about, it's originating from the Sichuan province of southwestern China. And the determining factors that really go into a Kung Pao Chicken, it's spicy, it's sweet, and it's sour. It has to have those three elements to it. The other determining factor with a Kung Pao is always garnished with salted peanuts at the end. This recipe tonight is brand new. It's not in any one of these books. So if you have these books, good on you. Thanks so much. But save this copy of the recipe because it'll be in my next book. The biggest thing about the recipe that you may want to change is the level of heat. Now, normally a Kung Pao chicken is made with whole chilies. And some people will bruise them. Some people cut them up, put them in there. We're going to make it really easy on you and use our favorite ingredient, Sambal Oelek, okay? It just makes it easier because it's already hydrated, it's liquid form, but just adjust that to the level of heat that you want. So we're using a full tablespoon in this recipe. It's going to have some kick to it. Don't get me wrong. It's not going to be over the top and fire coming out of your mouth. I don't like things too spicy. I like them when they're supposed to be hot. I like them hot, but I don't like it overly spicy where it's just burning my mouth and I can't taste anything. But I understand that everybody's level is different. So adjust that accordingly. Now, here's the thing. You might be saying, well, I don't know how hot a tablespoon is going to be in this dish. Des, I've never made it before. Here's what you do. Because Sambal Oelek is already hydrated and you don't have to wait for chilies to hydrate, or you don't have to wait for, whole fresh chilies to release their flavor into the food by being cooked. All you do is you make this with less if you're sensitive, okay? So a tablespoon is the same as 3 teaspoons. Put like 1 teaspoon in. And then at the end, have a taste. And if you need it hotter, then stir in the extra teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of Sambal Oelek and stir it all the way through. It won't be exactly the same, but again, because Sambal Oelek is already hydrated, it's a paste, it's a liquid, that you're going to spread that heat all the way through, and you can adjust the heat afterwards too, if you want. Let's pull all the sauce ingredients together. Okay, that's that first batch of ingredients. Then we'll get on with the prep and we'll show you all about that. And wok cooking is high heat and bang, 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 it's done. But let's get busy. We go to step 4, we'll be adding the Sambal Oelek, the onion, the bell pepper, the carrot, the celery, all at the same time to the wok. So I want you guys to prep that all into one same bowl. Don't worry, I'm going to prep it together with you, but just be aware of that. You can prep everything into one bowl. Steamed noodles that you buy at your deli section.
That's awesome. Oh, it smells so good. Oh yeah, baby.
That's really good.
Oh, that's good. That's delicious.
There you have it, folks. The number 13 installment of the Chinese food takeout, chicken Kung Pao. It's awesome. Thanks for joining me. See you next time, folks.